Hello dear students, in the last video we have already learned about the matrices and their different types. So in this video we will learn about the equality of matrices. We will see when two matrices will be equal. So here we are starting with the equality of matrix. So the definition is two matrix A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij p cross q are equal if ए और बी दो मैट्रिक्स है, दोनों इक्वल कब होंगे उसकी कंडीशन की हमको बात करना है. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज m मस्ट बी इक्वल टू p. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस m? हियर यू कैन सी दैट m क्रॉस n इज अ ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स एंड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव सीन दैट m represent the number of rows, n represent the number of column. In the same manner for matrix b, p represent the number of row and q represent the number of column. Okay, so the first condition is m is equal to p. What it means? It means that the number of row in first matrix must be equal to number of row in second matrix. Okay, now the second condition is n should be equal to q. It means number of column in first matrix must be equal to number of column in second matrix. Okay, so with these 2 points we can say that if the order of two matrices are equal, then only we go for the third condition. If order is not same, for example, let's say if A matrix is the order of 2 cross 3 and B matrix is the order of 3 cross 2, here you can see that the number of row in first is 2 and number of row in second is 3. So the condition, the first condition यहाँ पर applicable नहीं है. So हम कह सकते हैं कि दोनों equal नहीं होंगे. Okay, now if both these two conditions are satisfied, for example, if we have a two matrix of 2 cross 3 and 2 cross 3, so in this case the first two conditions are satisfied. m2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3. Now we go for the third condition. Aij is equal to Bij for all the values of I and j. What it means? Aij represent the elements in the matrix A and Bij represent the elements in the matrix B. So the corresponding elements are equal, then only we can say that matrices are equal. Let us see this with this example. Here we have taken two matrices A and B. The order of matrix is how many number of rows are there? 2. So 2 cross 3, and the matrix of B is also 2 cross 3. So the first two conditions are satisfied. Number of rows equal, number of columns equal. Now if third condition, if we talk about the third condition, if A11 is equal to B11, okay, means the first element of row 1 is equal to first element of row 2. Second element must be equal to second element. Third element of A must be equal to third element of B. Now move to the second row. If A21 is equal to B21, A22 is equal to B22 and A23 is equal to B23. If all these elements, corresponding elements are equal, then we can say that the matrices are equal. This is the only condition of matrix. So first thing what we need to check is the order of matrix. If both the orders are same, then we can say that matrix may be equal. Okay, and now the second condition is their corresponding elements must be equal. So this is the basic condition of equality. Okay, now let us take one more example to understand it better. Okay, so in this question it is already given that this matrix is equal to this matrix and we need to find x, y, z and w. So it is given both the matrices are equal. Here is the sign of equality. So first thing is their order must be same. So it is already given 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2. Now as per the condition of equality, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements must be equal. So the first element of first row is equal to first element of first row in the second matrix. So it means from the condition of equality, x minus y must be equal to minus 1. Now second condition, 2x plus z must be equal to 5. Okay. Third one, 2x, here I am writing this here, 2x minus y must be equal to 0 and 3z plus w is equal to 30. Okay, so here already given these two matrices are equal. So हमने क्या करा, सिर्फ इक्वलिटी की कंडीशन पुट की. Now solve this equation. From this equation you can see that 2x is equal to y, or we can write that y is equal to 2x. Put this value in equation number first. So what will we get? X minus 2x is equal to minus 1. So here x minus 2x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. So x is equal to 1. The value of x is 1. Now put this value in this equation. So what will we get? Y is equal to 2. 2 into 1, 2. So x की value 1 आ गई, y की 2 आ गई. Now put this value of x in this equation. So we will get 2 into 1 plus z is equal to 5. So z is equal to 5 minus 2. So the value of z is now 3. Okay. The last value w, put the value of z in this equation. So we will get 3 into 3 plus w is equal to 13. So w is equal to 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, 4. So answer is 4. So in this way we can solve the questions related to equality of matrix. Thank you so much. In the next video we will see the addition and subtraction of matrices. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.